A man, hold the reel tight.
I got it. The wind is good today.
A man, hold the reel tight.
I got it. The wind is good today.
Yes. Perfect for flying high.
Ready to release more string?
Yes. Perfect for flying high.
Ready to release more string?
Slowly. Not too fast.
Okay. It's going up.
Slowly. Not too fast.
Okay. It's going up.
Wow, look at that height.
It's steady now.
Wow, look at that height.
It's steady now.
Watch the other kites.
I see one on the left.
Watch the other kites.
I see one on the left.
Turn our kite right.
Done. It missed us.
Turn our kite right.
Done. It missed us.
Good save.
My hands hurt a bit.
Good save.
My hands hurt a bit.
Take a short break.
No, I'm fine.
Take a short break.
No, I'm fine.
I'll pull now.
Pull gently.
I'll pull now.
Pull gently.
The kite is dancing.
The tail looks nice.
The kite is dancing.
The tail looks nice.
Grandpa would love this.
He taught us well.
Grandpa would love this.
He taught us well.
Remember last year?
Yes. Our kite got cut.
Remember last year?
Yes. Our kite got cut.
Not today.
I'm focused.
Not today.
I'm focused.
The sky looks colorful.
So many kites.
The sky looks colorful.
So many kites.
Ours is the highest.
I think so too.
Ours is the highest.
I think so too.
Pull a little more.
Okay. Done.
Pull a little more.
Okay. Done.
Nice control.
Thanks, brother.
Nice control.
Thanks, brother.
Teamwork works.
Always.
Teamwork works.
Always.
Let's keep it flying.
For a long time.
Let's keep it flying.
For a long time.